Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up C++ with Visual Studio Code. So the first step you need to do is download and install the code editor, that is Visual Studio Code. So simply go to code.visualstudio.com and over here click on download for Windows. This starts downloading the vscode. Once the download is finished, simply click on the installer to install it. Here accept the agreement and click next. Check this icon to create desktop shortcut and click next. And finally click on install. Once the installation is done, let's now install the C++ compiler. So on the left hand side, go all the way down to C++ and select it. So if you are using Windows, click on this GCC on Windows. This opens up the page where we can install the compiler. Here you can see that we have some prerequisites. So for the first one, we have already installed Visual Studio Code, and the extensions we will install them later. So first let's install the minGW toolchain. So to do that, we need to install msys2. So simply click on this direct link to the installer. Once the installer is downloaded, click on it to install. Click next. Click next again, and finally click on install. After the installation is done, simply click on finish. This opens up the msys2 shell. Now go to step 4 and run this command. So copy the command and paste it on the shell. Hit enter. It says enter a selection, so simply hit enter and type Y for yes and hit enter. Once the installation is finished, close the terminal, and for the final step, we need to add the path of the compiler to the environment variables. So copy this path and go to the taskbar and type in environment. Click on edit environment variables here. And on the user variables, click on path and then new. Now on the variable name, type in path, and for the variable value, paste the path that we copied. Now click on OK, OK, and again OK. Now let's check our minGW. So go to your taskbar and type in cmd to open command prompt. Here type in gcc space dash dash version and hit enter, or g++ space dash dash version and hit enter, or gdb space dash dash version and hit enter. You can see that we have correctly installed minGW on our system. Alright, now let's open Visual Studio Code and install two important extensions. So go to extensions and on the search bar type in C++ and click on the first extension published by Microsoft. Click on install. Once this extension is installed, again search for Code Runner and install it. Once the two extensions are installed, let's now start coding with C++ programs. So simply go to File and click on New Text File and click on this Select Language and click on C++. Now save the file I'm gonna save it on my desktop and let's name it hello.cpp and click on save. Now let's create a simple hello world program. If you are new to C++ programming and curious about how we have written this program, you can watch my video tutorials on C++ programming. But for now, let's focus on how we can run C++ programs in Visual Studio Code. So to run this program, you have a couple of options to use. The first option is that you can go to the top right corner and click on this run code icon. The second option is right click here and click on run code. Now you can see here in the output tab that the output is displayed, which is hello world. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, show me by liking, sharing and subscribe.